Welcome to day 2 of 90 days Reels challenge, and today we are going to discuss about what are the different types of traders and investors. So let's begin with the topmost, that is first is called as scalping, and the person who does that kind of trading is called as scalper, where we have to take the decisions of buy and sell within the span of 1 to 5 minutes, and that is completely active kind of income. And if you are someone who is starting off your journey, or even if you are someone who is pro into trading, my personal recommendation and a suggestion to you is that never ever do scalping, because if you do scalping for a longer period of time, it will affect your mind as well as your heart as well. So as per my suggestion, you should completely avoid scalping. The second type of trading is called as day trading, where the person who does that kind of trading is called as day trader, and the time span which is required is between the span of 9:15 a.m. in the morning till 3:30 p.m., where you can do multiple trades and you can have multiple trades within the span of 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Even you can hold for the whole day long, but you cannot hold more than that. And this is also a kind of active income. And even if you're beginning your journey, you can start off with day trading, but never ever go for scalping. To know in depth about all these kind of trading, make sure you read the caption below and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in part 2, that is on day 3.